Unlike when you go shopping in your favorite stores and you lose track of time moving around the aisles, online shopping was made to be fast and comfortable. Sure, you can still browse around just for fun, but if you're in a hurry or you're looking for a specific item, an instant search bar might come in handy. By using predictive search, autocorrect, and a fast response time, you will find anything you're looking for. Provided, of course, the store has that item. The Instant Search app in Vitals allows visitors to easily find the products they're looking for. For most Shopify themes, when you click on the magnifying glass in the menu, it allows you to type your search query right there. We use the Brooklyn theme on our demo store, and as you can see, visitors are redirected to a search page. If they want to search by the product name, they will have to press enter to see it. Let's see the difference with Vitals after you enable the app. Now let's open the store and force refresh in order to clear the browser's cache faster. If I click the magnifying glass icon again, I now get a search bar at the top of the page. I can type the product I'm looking for, and results will start appearing instantly right there, near the search box, without having to press enter or anything else. Visitors can now easily access the product they're interested in, without browsing around anymore. The faster they get to the desired product page, the bigger the probability they'll convert. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel as we post new videos every single week. If we can help with anything, please let us know. Our customer support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching and see you soon.